Hello, welcome to technology platform. So today we are going to see what is the main key difference between exec and eval. So the main key difference is like exec, it is executing the statements what you mention within the parenthesis. Eval is it's only evaluate the expressions. So for example, exec open bracket, if you put like print a 10 plus 10, it will return. But here in eval, it just only evaluate the expression. If you like eval open bracket 10 plus 10 equal to 20, like that it will evaluate but the main key difference is like exec doesn't return the value, but eval, it should return the value. Let's see some examples so that you can understand the main difference. Let's see now. But the main key difference is like eval does eval does return the value, and exec does not return the value. Now let's see. If you are saying that str equal to 100, now evaluation is like just evaluate the expression. For example, 100, single quotes is mandatory here. 100 like 1000 plus str. Now if you see this, it is evaluating. But if you pass this evaluation like this, str equal to 100, this is not an expression, it just um, variable, some values we are declaring. Now see this, you will get an error message. But exec, if you see this, str equal to 100, it is not throwing an error message. Instead of that, if you print str, you will get this value. For example, let's see, str equal to 200, exec str equal to 500. Now just type it str, you will get 500. So this is main key difference. You cannot pass this kind of value in the evaluation, you will get an error message like something like issues. It won't work. So but one more thing is also you can use it. Let's see how it works. So whether it is returning or not, let's see now. So returning the values that we want to use, for that we are going to use the syntaxes like compile. So now eval compile, and then open bracket, and then I'm passing 100, and then some syntax is like string, and then you have to use it exec command inside the evaluation. Now see this, what it return. Let's see, return none. Now the same thing, because as per our understanding, exec doesn't return the value. But now if you can see this, so we can say like code code returns none. Now see this, eval compile 100, now string, and then passing eval. Now let's see, now it is compiling and providing evaluating this, so it is returning the value. So this is what the main key difference. You can use it like this as well, exec compile 100, then string, then you are passing eval. So what it return? It should return none, because exec should not use it, should not return any value. Let's see. Okay, sorry. So what it runs, yeah. So sorry, code returns 100 because we have pass it eval here. So this is the main difference. Let's see, one more thing is also we can use it exec, and then you can use it exec here itself. Let's see the difference. It return none. So here it is a matter what you are passing and what you are compiling. So like this the main difference between this two. And we can see some more examples. Let me use it something like that, for loop. But that for loop we can see it, let's see, exec print. I can say like print str value like that. Let me use it like this, or print 10 plus 10. I'll use it like this, 20. Same like that, I will use it 10 plus 10. It is, sorry, exec 10 plus 10, it returns none. But you should use print, then only it should something return. If you see here, 10 plus 10, it should return the value 20. So this is the main key difference between execute and eval. Let's see you in the next session. Bye. Thank